Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to use split screen on Android smartphones. On Google Pixel you can go to Recent Apps and now simply tap on App icon. Select Split Screen if available and next select second app for split screen. Now you can adjust size of each app. To leave split screen, simply close one app. On other smartphones you can use this gesture, or you can also enable it from the recent apps by pressing and holding one app on and aiming it onto other app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.